How to change your birthday on Spotify PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Spotify PC, easy and quick. First open your Spotify and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and here we'll find account. And now once you're here, just scroll down until you find edit profile, and then just click this one here. Wait, birthday, here is it. Just manage here anything you want, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. It's easy. Now just close it, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.